I'm Dennis Riccio. This is hole number 1, the rim. The bunker on the left is further than it looks, 308 yards from the back tee, and is an ideal target for a well-struck drive. The concave-shaped fairway will kick your ball back to the center of the fairway for a short approach to the green. Get your short game dialed in for this well-protected, postage stamp-sized, elevated putting surface. I'm Dennis Riccio, and welcome to hole number 1, the rim. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 2, the forest. A tee shot to the right center of the fairway through a narrow stand of ponderosa pines offers the best angle into the green, which is guarded by a bunker front and left. Reach for an extra club on the approach shot to clear that bunker. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 2, the forest. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 3, friendly Glen. You may be tempted to cut the corner on this dogleg left par 4, but beware of the bunkers on the left. Although there is plenty of fairway past them, the safer play is to the right where the fairway slopes to the center. This leaves you with a mid to short iron approach to a large, heavily bunkered, elevated green. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 3, friendly Glen. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 4, the saddle. Make sure to take an extra club to clear the ravine that separates the tee and green and to conquer the slight uphill slope. If you're hitting into the wind, you may need to hit even harder. A large green makes even a slightly errant tee shot playable. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 4, the saddle. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 5, decision pine. A solid tee shot will take you to the pinch waist of a fairway in order to confront the bunker that guards the green. Or a perfect stroke of daring can take you in the back way on the left onto a thumb of fairway. From here, you can defeat the bunker. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 5, decision pine. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 6, Yerba Senta, par 5. Aim for the fairway bunker off the tee and place your second shot to the left side for a good look at the pin. Don't even think about reaching this one in 2. It's all uphill after the drive, and there's a bunker about 50 yards in front of the green. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 6, Yerba Senta, par 5. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 7, Pine Stream. A downhill tee shot, prevailing wind, and increased ball flight at 5,000 feet make this par 4 play shorter than it looks. Favor the right side of the fairway off the tee for the best angle to the green. Be aware of the winding stream that cuts across the fairway about 300 yards from the back tee. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 7, Pine Stream. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 8, Primeval, par 3. The longest par 3 on the course demands a forced carry over a mountain lake to a receptive bank on the right side of the green. With an enormous putting surface of 44 yards in depth, good club selection is crucial to a good score. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 8, Primeval, par 3. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 9, genus Loci, par 5. Fairway bunkers left and a lake to the right provide many hazards, as does a forced carry over a stream from the tee. But a solid drive will set you up for a straight shot at an elevated split-level green. Leave it on the front edge of the green, and chances are your ball will roll back down the hill fronting the green. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 9, genus Loci, par 5. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 10, Elk Trail, par 4. Aim over the bunker to the left side of the fairway on this downhill tee shot. Play the right center of the fairway for the best shot at the green, which is large enough to keep a long iron or fairway wood on the dance floor. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 10, Elk Trail, par 4. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 11, double ravine, par 4. This hole requires a long drive to a tight rolling fairway. A ravine offers trouble to the right of the fairway landing area, while a tee shot left center will still leave a long iron or fairway wood to the green, which is well bunkered. If you lay up, be sure to play to the right side to take advantage of the fairway that slopes left. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 11, double ravine, par 4. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 12, Perilous, par 3. This is the shortest hole on the course. If you don't place a premium on short iron accuracy, it can be hazardous to your score. Take enough club to avoid the false fronted green and be ready for a short game test. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 12, Perilous, par 3. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 13, Spirit Hollow, par 5. This is one of the most memorable par 5s in the Southwest because of its awe-inspiring 80-foot greenside boulders. Long hitters who may reach in 2 can play the tee shot over the right side of the boulder. Shorter players should aim just right of the fairway bunker. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 13, Spirit Hollow, par 5. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 14, boulder to boulder, par 4. The safe route is to the right, but you can hit it left over a blind rise for a downhill approach that skirts the hazards. A second shot from the top of the tabletop requires a demanding carry of 160 yards over a lake. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 14, boulder to boulder, par 4. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 15, Perched, par 4. It is imperative to be in the fairway on this hole, named for the course where designer Tom Weiskopf won the 1973 British Open. The smart play off the tee is a fairway wood or long iron over the right side bunker. This sets up your approach to the elevated green, which is well bunkered and runs away to the back. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 15, Perched, par 4. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 16, Monument Valley, par 4. Long hitters can drive it past the fairway bunkers from this elevated tee, but be sure to favor the left side as your ball will kick right. To play it safe, hit a long iron or fairway wood just short of the bunker, which will give you a good angle to the green, which is guarded on the left by two towering ponderosa pines. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 16, Monument Valley, par 4. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 17, the Glade, par 3. The last par 3 plays into a left to right crosswind and uphill, so you may need to bring an extra club. The green is large but well bunkered except for the back right, which offers a large, grassy downhill slope to collect errant tee shots. Hole placement here often determines your score. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 17, the Glade, par 3. Hello, I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 18, Valhalla, par 4. Valhalla requires a forced carry from a stand of pines to a flat landing area bunkered left and right. This leaves a mid-iron approach to a putting surface guarded by a lake on the right. If you avoid the water and opt for the left side of the green, It could mean a difficult 2-putt par if the hole is cut on the right side. I'm Dennis Riccio. Welcome to hole number 18, Valhalla, par 4.